Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to delete all emails in Gmail at once. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So first of all, you have to open your Gmail and then click on select all, and here you can see my all the emails have been selected. And now simply click on this delete icon here. So at the same time you can delete 50 emails. So I'm going to again select all and then clicking on delete. So now here you can see I have successfully deleted all the emails from my Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.